Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We are continuing our attic series. Do you want to use your attic for storage? Stay tuned for some tips that we did to make sure we kept the storage in this attic. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we want to let you know that we cover everything dealing with energy efficiency and indoor air quality by fixing those 4 overlooked places in your house: your attic, basement, crawl space, and ductwork. So if you like this information, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell down below. Okay, so we've done a lot of work in this attic. We've done different videos about how to use spray foam and radiant barrier to cool the roof decking and why that's important, and showed you different ways to insulate recessed lights and things like that. So if you haven't seen those videos, make sure you click up here to check out the rest of our attic series. Okay, so my wife, all of us, we want more storage, right? I mean, we don't want to keep things stored in our house, and a lot of us want to use the attic to store items, but there's a certain thing you could do. We've seen it where people have a decking like you have here, but there's fiberglass rolling in on the decking and different things like that. So what we've done is we've created this dam so that when we blow the fiberglass or the rock wool or the cellulose or whatever we're putting on the other side, it's going to create a barrier between that cellulose and fiberglass and what you're storing. Okay, as you can see, what we had to do is we had to screw in some wood for support on this OSB board, and then we took about a half-inch piece of foam board that we got from our local box store. As you can see, it was Lowe's, right? And we attached this to this piece of wood that we screwed into the OSB, right? So that way, when the ninjas come in here and they blow in all of that attic insulation, we've got this deep of attic insulation that we can blow in. Now this is about a 15-inch piece of foam board that we've got deep all the way down. So if you want to protect your storage area from all of that cellulose and insulation coming onto it, and you don't want to track it in and out of the house as you're trying to get to your storage area, this is a great way to keep that insulation and to prepare that storage area for use. Okay, so hopefully you found that information useful, and if you did, please like this video down below and make sure you subscribe to our channel. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.